Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I get to share with you how I snagged all of these items completely free and made over $6 buying it all. I'm also going to tell you about a $15 moneymaker deal. So great deals. It is a little bit slower week, but there are still some great deals that you want to take advantage of. I'll also cover some grocery deals at the end of the video and include pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was in the store. Now, stay with me for a minute because I have a few announcements that are important and that you want to know about, or I think you want to know about. The first announcement is this is a giveaway video. Yay! Okay, thanks to the Miles app, one lucky winner will get a $50 gift card. So the Miles app is an app that rewards you for the travel and commuting that you do. I've talked about it before. I do have a complete tutorial on the video, and I will pin that down in the comments below. But the giveaway starts today. I will announce the winner in my Walgreens video next Sunday. So you have to get entered by midnight on Saturday to get entered. Now, you also have to be a subscriber of the channel, and you also need to have the Miles app. So if you already have it, great. If not, use my referral link down below and get yourself the Miles app. So to recap, to get entered in the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, grab yourself the Miles app using my link below, and drop a comment and let me know where your favorite place to travel to is. I will randomly select one winner for that $50 gift card and announce the winner in my Walgreens video next Sunday. Second announcement. I mentioned a while back that I now have a website. The web address is savingwithchristina.com. But there's a new feature on there. When you go to the website, you're going to get a little pop-up box that allows you to enter your email address. So if you want to get an email from me each week, and I'm only going to do one a week because I hate getting a bunch of emails, I'm going to craft one email a week and send out talking about some of the best deals going on for that week. So if you want to get your email on that list, pop on over to my website, savingwithchristina.com, and enter your email address when that little box pops up. Okay, so I think that was all of the announcements for today. Let's talk about that $15 moneymaker deal. And this is a little bit different deal. So the first thing you want to do is go to your digital coupons. See if you have this coupon right here for fill a prescription with Walgreens and get $15 in Walgreens cash, okay? I don't fill my prescriptions at Walgreens, but I went to their pharmacy and I asked them, hey, does my insurance cover COVID tests? And I handed them my medical insurance card. They ran it and they said, yes, ma'am, you can get 4 boxes or 8 tests completely free. And so I said, let's go ahead and do that. And so because I hadn't had a prescription filled at that pharmacy in like 12 years, she updated my information, ran my insurance. I entered my phone number at checkout. That way it went through my account. I paid $0 at checkout and I got $15 in Walgreens cash for filling a prescription. So awesome moneymaker deal. If your insurance covers COVID tests, that's a deal that you want to score. All right, let's talk about the deals for the week, and then I'll talk to you about clearance deals. So curbside, you want to do these curbside, not in store. Now, the Epsom salt, these are $1.99. I had this $3 digital coupon, which made this item completely free. Now, if you try to use that in store on a $1.99 item, it's not going to come off. Someone asked me, hey, they're buy one, get one half off. Can I get 2 and they both be free? So I tried that this morning and it adjusted that $3 coupon down to the half off price. And so it ended up having me pay like 50 cents for 2 of them versus just getting one completely free. So I opted to do just the one completely free. The other curbside deal I did was these Revlon nail clippers. These are $2.29 each. I had a $5 off 2 digital coupon, so I bought 2 of these. It took off the full amount, leaving me to pay $0. Again, this is a deal you want to do curbside. All right, the other deal that you can do curbside if you want is on these U by Kotex pads. They are 2 for $5. I had a $4 digital coupon, making them 2 for $1 or just 50 cents each. So great price there. I also picked up these Cheez-Its as part of my curbside order. They are 2 for $5, but they're buy one, get one free. So that makes them 2 for $2.50 or just $1.25 per box, which I thought was a great price. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 boxes of Cheez-Its. Now, the mac and cheese, you can do this curbside, you can do it in store. Either way, the price is going to be the same. They have their mac and cheese at 99 cents a box, which is cheaper than Walmart. So I thought I would go ahead and mention it. If you like using your Walgreens cash to pay for your groceries, this is a deal you might want to snag. Now, the deals I did in store. These L'Oreal Elvives are 2 for $8. They were not ringing that way when I was shopping online this morning. They were ringing up full price online. But in store, they're ringing up correctly at 2 for $8. There is a $3 manufacturer digital coupon as well as a $2 store coupon. So $5 will come off, leaving you to pay $3 or just $1.50 each. Now, not really a stock up price for me, but if this is stuff that you love and you want to snag an easy deal, $1.50 each on these. I had, my spin booster was spend $65, get $15 in Walgreens cash. I didn't want to mess with it this week. I didn't want to spend $65. I used my Walgreens cash to pay for everything that I got, so my out-of-pocket was almost nothing this week. Okay, let's talk about clearance that I saw in the store. First of all, the toys in my store were ringing up 80% off. They were not tagged that way, but they were ringing up 80% off. I didn't buy any to show you, but check your store to see if you can snag some of the toys as well as some of the winter items like scarves and socks and slippers. They had those at 80% off. I also saw these red ropes at 33 cents. So I bought 5 packs because there's an Ibotta offer for 75 cents back, making them each a 42-cent moneymaker. So great deal if your store still has these on clearance. My store had a ton of these. If you're not using Ibotta yet, great time to join. You'll get $10 when you scan that first receipt if you use my referral code. Another clearance deal that I saw while I was in the store was on these Finest Nutrition cinnamon vitamins or nutritional supplements, I guess you would say. They were marked 90% off, so $1.19. They're also buy one, get one free. There was also a $2 digital coupon. So as you can see, I purchased 4 of them. That way that digital coupon would apply. So I bought 4. And it rang up buy one, get one free. So I paid for 2 at $1.19 each. Minus that $2 digital coupon, I paid 38 cents for all 4 of them. So easy, awesome clearance plus coupon deal there. So when I added everything up with this $15 moneymaker over here, it made everything completely free and a $6 moneymaker. Now, if you are doing curbside orders, don't forget to go through Rakuten first because you'll get a percentage back in your Rakuten account. I believe it was just 2% this morning. But if you are brand new to Rakuten and you spend $35 out of pocket, so that's after coupons, after everything, you pay $35, you're going to get $35 back from Rakuten. That's if you go through my link to sign up for Rakuten, which is completely free. But their perk for new members with my link is spend $35, get $35 back in your account. Now, stay tuned to the end of the video where I have clearance pictures. A couple other grocery deals to make note of. Skippy peanut butter is 2 for $5. I had a $1 digital coupon, which would make them 2 for $4. My store only had 1 jar, so I didn't buy them. And then there's some cereal bars that are 2 for $4. The nuts, I grabbed a pack of the cashews. They were just $2.99. So those are some of the best grocery deals that I saw this week. On my grocery aisle, my store also had some items that were clearanced out, so you might want to pop by and check out that section as well. Hope y'all have an awesome week. Don't forget to drop a comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to get entered into that giveaway. Thanks.